A proximate cause, also known as a legal cause, is one that the law recognizes as sufficient to support liability. The court considered whether a shooting was the proximate cause of a death that occurred 5 years later, in the 1987 case, State versus Govan. Joe Govan had been living with Sharon Keeble for 3 years when she accused him of molesting her teenage daughter. Keeble eventually fired a shot at Govan. He left the scene unharmed, but returned later that day to continue their argument. Keeble borrowed a neighbor's phone to call 911. While Keeble was dialing the phone, Govan pulled a gun out of his pocket and shot her in the neck. The shot paralyzed Keeble from the neck down. Govan told the police that he never intended to shoot Keeble. According to Govan, he'd drawn his gun and fired behind him without taking aim. The state of Arizona charged Govan with aggravated assault for shooting Keeble. During Keeble's hospitalization, Govan visited her. The couple reconciled and got married, at which point the aggravated assault charge was dismissed without prejudice. 5 years later, Keeble contracted pneumonia and died. The state charged Govan with second-degree murder based on the initial shooting. At trial, both of the doctors who testified said that the cause of Keeble's death was pneumonia stemming from her quadriplegia, which was caused by a gunshot wound to the neck. The jury ultimately found Govan guilty of manslaughter, a lesser-included offense. Govan moved for a judgment of acquittal, arguing that there was insufficient evidence to show that the shot he fired caused Keeble's quadriplegia and subsequent death. The trial court denied the motion, and Govan appealed to the Arizona Court of Appeals. Govan refined his argument on appeal to say that Keeble simply gave up her will to live, breaking the chain of causation between the shooting and her death. Govan pointed out that Keeble waited at least 2 weeks to seek medical attention after learning that she was sick.